Hello, and welcome to this brief guided meditation designed to lead you into a state of relaxation and awaken your creative spirit. Find a comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly. Allow each breath to help you relax even more deeply. With every exhale, release any tension you might be holding in your body. Feel your body becoming lighter and more relaxed. Now, let's do a quick body scan. Focus on your feet and imagine a warm sensation spreading from each of your feet, relaxing each muscle. Move this sensation up through your legs, your abdomen, and into your chest. Let it release any tightness in your shoulders, down your arms, and through your fingertips. Let this warmth gently relax the muscles in your face and your head. Take a moment now and just sit with this sensation in your body. Now, in your mind's eye, visualize a space that embodies creativity for you. It might be a sunny art studio, a tranquil garden, or a cozy nook. In this space, you feel completely free and inspired. Notice the colors, the textures, and how you feel being here. In this space, imagine a source of light representing your creativity. See it glowing brightly, radiating warmth and energy. With each breath, this light grows, filling you with confidence and creative energy. Feel this energy empowering your thoughts, stirring your imagination. While in this space, set an intention for your next creative endeavor. Whether it's painting, writing, or any form of expression, envision yourself doing it with ease and joy. Believe in your ability to create something wonderful. Take a few more deep, soothing breaths. Feel gratitude for this moment and the creativity that resides within you. Know that you can access this feeling whenever you need inspiration. And when you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Remember, your creativity is a unique and powerful gift.